10 Unusual Uses for Mayo. We all like the flavor of mayonnaise on sandwiches and in deviled eggs, but did you know that it also has a variety of excellent uses beyond the kitchen? You may not believe it, but mayo has a long history of practical household uses. Keep watching to see all 10 unusual ways to use mayo. 1. Prevent lice. If your child's school happens to have a head lice outbreak, simply apply mayo directly to their hair, comb through, and then rinse. Mayo can assist with current lice repulsion and will leave an oily residue on a hair that lice won't be attracted to. 2. Repair scratched wood. Apply mayo to any scrape on your wood floor, table, or chair. When used liberally, it will hydrate the wood and make the scratch less obvious. The fats in mayo will also help fill in the scratch and seal it, enabling you to stain over it. 3. Soften your hair. Mayonnaise is an excellent and inexpensive hair conditioner. Apply a generous amount of mayo to your hair's dry ends, leave on for 15 minutes, and then shampoo as normal. In no time, you'll notice that your hair is luxuriant and moisturized. 4. Moisturize skin. Combine 1 teaspoon of olive oil with a dab of mayo and apply to skin. Allow it to sit for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse with warm water. 5. Remove crayon smudges. Do you have crayon drawings on your walls? Put some mayo on a sponge and start scrubbing. The crayon will become more pliable and be easy to remove. 6. Heal flaky heels. Mayo is a must-have for dry skin. Apply mayonnaise combined with a teaspoon of olive oil to your heels, leave for 10 minutes, and then rinse. 7. Take off bumper stickers. If you have an old bumper sticker you need removed, simply rub the sticker with mayo and a soft cloth to loosen and remove it. 8. Get rid of gum in your hair or carpet. Take a generous amount of mayo and massage onto the gum. The oils in the mayo will help with the stickiness, and you should be able to clear away any traces of the gum. 9. Polish your silver. Make your silver sparkle by giving it a mayo polish. Use a soft cloth to apply the mayo to the cutlery, then rinse. There is no need for chemicals and your silver will sparkle. 10. Get rid of the squeak. A small amount of mayo added to a creaky joint or door will lubricate it and stop the squeak. As you can see, mayo can be used in a variety of creative and entertaining ways around the house. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.